Hello friends, myself Dattatreya Jadhav. I am from HM College Karad. In previous video, we will learn about second order derivative test. Second order derivative test for maximum and minimum value of the function. For maximum, the condition is what? A function f of x is said to be maximum at x is equal to point, suppose that c. If f dash of c is equal to 0 and f double dash of c is less than 0. It's for maxima. And for minima, a function f of x is said to minimum at x is equal to c if f dash of c is equal to 0 and f double dash of c is greater than 0. If these conditions satisfies, then the function is maximum or minimum. Okay, so here are the working steps to solve the examples on maxima and minima. Working steps are: first, find f dash of x and f double dash of x. First step is what? Find f dash of x and f double dash of x. Second, for extreme values, equate f dash of x is equal to 0. For extreme values, f dash of x is equal to 0. We get the values of x. Here I get, suppose the values of x are a, b, c and so on. Third step, find f double dash of a. For x is equal to a, find f double dash of a. Sub-step of third step is, if f double dash of a is greater than 0, then f of x is minimum. If f double dash of a is less than 0, then f of x is maximum. And minimum value is f of a. Maximum value is also f of a at that point. Fourth step is, repeat third step for remaining values of x, that is b, c. X is equal to b, x is equal to c. Repeat the step third. So in many question papers, the question is asked for 4 marks on maximum and minimum value of the function. Today we are going to discuss some word problems, some examples on maximum value of the function and minimum value of the function. Here is our first example. A ball is thrown in the air. A ball is thrown in air. Its height at any time t, its height at any time t is given by h is equal to 3 plus 14t minus 5t square. 14t minus 5t square. Find the maximum height it can reach. Find the maximum height it can reach. So here is our first problem. A ball is thrown in air. काय साधी गोष्ट केलेली आहे, बॉल हवेमध्ये टाकलेला आहे. इट्स हाईट ॲट एनी टाइम, आणि हाईटचं कोणत्याही ठराविक वेळेसाठी ती आपल्याला एका फॉर्म्युल्याने दिलेली आहे. h इज इक्वल टू 3 प्लस 14t मायनस 5t स्क्वेअर. फाइंड द मॅक्झिमम हाईट. आणि आपल्याला काय करायचं सांगितलेलं आहे, तर मॅक्झिमम हाईट इट कॅन रीच हे काढण्यासाठी सांगितलेलं आहे. इथं हा शब्द आलेला आहे, वर्ड आलेला आहे मॅक्झिमम. सो हे आपले एक्झाम्पल आहे मॅक्झिमा आणि मिनिमावरचं. मी पुन्हा एकदा सांगतो, फर्स्ट डेरिव्हेटिव्ह टेस्ट आणि सेकंड डेरिव्हेटिव्ह टेस्ट असे 2 प्रकार आहेत. फर्स्ट डेरिव्हेटिव्ह टेस्ट आपण कधीही वापरणार नाही. मॅक्झिमम आपण एखादं एक्झाम्पल प्रॉब्लेम सॉल्व्ह करायचा असेल तर आपण सेकंड डेरिवेटिव टेस्ट वापरणार आहे. सो इन सोल्यूशन आय कॅन राईट हियर given what is there, h is equal to 3 plus 14t minus 5t square. RHS is in variable t. RHS is in variable t. So I can say h as f of t is equal to 3 plus 14t minus 5t square. I can write here consider h is equal to f of t. So f of t is what? 3 plus 14t minus 5t square. Now what are the working steps? Find f dash of x and f double dash of x. पहिल्यांदा त्याच्या दोन डेरिव्हेटिव्ह काढून घ्या फंक्शनच्या, f dash आणि f डबल डॅश. मी आता ते पहिल्यांदा काम करतोय. f dash काढायचं असेल तर याची डेरिव्हेटिव्ह घेतली पाहिजे डिफरन्शिएटिंग with respect to t. Therefore f of t ची डेरिव्हेटिव्ह f dash of t is equal to 3 कॉन्स्टंट आहे त्याची डेरिव्हेटिव्ह येणार आहे 0 प्लस 14 कॉन्स्टंट आहे t ची डेरिव्हेटिव्ह येणार आहे 1 मायनस 5 कॉन्स्टंट आहे आणि 2t t स्क्वेअर ची डेरिव्हेटिव्ह येणार आहे 2t. हे मी असं लिहू शकतो 14 मायनस 10t. हे आपलं इक्वेशन नंबर सेकंड असेल. फर्स्ट नंबर सेकंड नंबर f dash of t मिळाला. अगेन डिफरन्शिएटिंग विथ रिस्पेक्ट टू t. विथ रिस्पेक्ट टू t डिफरन्शिएट काय करतोय तर RHS t मध्ये f of t ची अजून एकदा डेरिव्हेटिव्ह f डबल डॅश ऑफ t इज इक्वल टू 14 ची डेरिव्हेटिव्ह 0 मायनस 10 कॉन्स्टंट as it is t ची डेरिव्हेटिव्ह 1 which is equal to minus 10. इक्वेशन नंबर थर्ड. त्या आपल्याला व्हॅल्यूज मिळालेले आहेत f dash of t ची आणि f डबल डॅश ऑफ t ची. इक्वेट f dash of x is equal to 0. इक्वेट फर्स्ट डेरिव्हेटिव्ह is equal to 0 for extreme points. I can write here for extreme points what is the condition? F dash of x is equal to 0. Therefore what is f dash of x? But here is the example in t. So f dash of t is equal to 0. What is f dash of t? 14 minus 10t is equal to 0. Therefore 10t is equal to 14 and t is equal to 14 divided by 10, which is nothing but 7 divided by 5. Here we get the value of t. T is what? 7 divided by 5. Second step is done here. F dash of t is equal to 0. We get value of x, that is value of t. There is only one value. So moving to our third step. Third step मध्ये काय करायचं आहे? f डबल डॅश ऑफ a काढायचं आहे. For t is equal to 7 upon 5, f double dash of 7 upon 5 is equal to f double dash कुठे आहे बघा या ठिकाणी आहे तुमचा f double dash of t. f double dash of t आहे -10. f double dash of 7 upon 5 हा -10 तसाच राहणार आहे कारण की तो कॉन्स्टंट आहे आणि कॉन्स्टंटची तुम्ही t ची व्हॅल्यू रिप्लेस केली तर कॉन्स्टंट बदलणार नाही. कॉन्स्टंट ॲज इट इज राहणार. -10 तसाच राहणार. Check f double dash of a is greater than 0 or less than 0. Here f double dash of 7 upon 5 is less than 0. Is less than 0. Less than 0 it means that f of x is maximum. Therefore I can say here f of t is maximum at t is equal to 7 upon 5. F of t is what? F of t is nothing but h, that is h is maximum and t is equal to 7 upon 5 and maximum value of h at t is equal to 7 upon 5 is h is equal to Look at here in equation number first or in equation number this time. Here is the value of h. Put t is equal to 7 upon 5. 3 plus 14 into 7 upon 5 minus 5 into 7 upon 5 square. On solving this, it's 3 plus 14 sevens are 98 divided by 5 minus 1 5 get cancel. On separating power, it's 7 square divided by 5 square. 5 5 get cancel. 7 square is 49 divided by 5 square. Making denominator same, it's 5 multiplied 3 by 5. 3 into 5 is 15 plus 98 minus 49. 98 minus 49, 49 plus 5, 49, 50, 54 plus 1, 54 plus 10, 64 divided by 5. Therefore, I can write h is equal to 5 ones as 5, what remaining 1, 5 twos are 10, what's remaining 4, and 5 twos are 10, 12.8, 5 8s are 40. So h is equal to 12.8 unit. So here is the answer. The maximum height it can reach is 12.8. Maximum height it can reach is 12.8 unit. 12.8 unit. It's our first problem. Okay, here is the second problem. The perimeter of a triangle is 10 centimeter. The perimeter of a triangle is 10 centimeter if one of the side is 4 centimeter. If one of the side is 4 centimeter, what are other two sides of the triangle for its maximum area? There is a word maximum. So this example is related with maximum value of the function and minimum value of the function. First check what is the geometrical figure. Here is triangle. I can draw a triangle here. Suppose it's a triangle ABC. This side opposite to angle is small a, the side opposite to angle B is small b, and the side opposite to angle C is small c. So I can write here, let small a, small b, small c be the sides of the triangle ABC. Now it is given the perimeter of triangle is 10 centimeter. Given perimeter of triangle ABC is equal to 10 centimeter. So I can write what is mean by perimeter. Perimeter means this perimeter is here, sum of the sides, that is a plus b plus c is equal to 10. But it is given that if one of the side is 4 centimeter, let a is equal to 4. I can write here with a is equal to 4. A is what? It's 4. One side is 4. I can write that side is a is 4. Therefore, I get 4 plus b plus c is equal to 10. C is equal to, from this I can find the value of c. C is what? C is equal to 10 minus b minus 4. 10 minus 4 is 6. 6 minus b. Its value of c. C is 6 minus b. From this relation I can find here a relation in c and b. Now look at here. they ask what are other two sides of the triangle for its maximum area. Now I want to find the maximum area. When sides are, what are the sides when area is maximum? For that I want to know the formula for area of triangle. Area of triangle is 1 upon 2 into base into height, and other is by Hero's formula. By Hero's formula, I can say sides are given, hence I use here Hero's formula. Hero's formula says that area of triangle is equal to square root of s into s minus a into s minus b into s minus c. Now, but what is s is here? S is, yes, we know that s is, we have s is equal to a plus b plus c divided by 2. A plus b plus c is what? 10 from equation first. It's 10 divided by 2 from equation first. 10 divided by 2 means 5. Value of s is 5. Now I can simplify that formula as square root of 5 into square root of 5 into 5 minus a is 4 into 5 minus b into 5 minus c. C is what? 6 minus b. So I can write this as 5 minus 6 minus b, which is equal to 5 as it is square root of 5 as it is. 5 minus 4 is 1 into 5 minus b into 5 minus 6 minus plus b. 5 minus 6 is minus 1. So it looks like area of the triangle is equal to root of 5 into 5 minus b into b minus 1. Squaring both sides. Squaring both sides, we get delta square is equal to 5 as it is into 5 minus b into b minus 1, which is equal to 5 constant as it is. 5 minus b into b minus 1, 5b, 5 into b, 5b. 5 into minus 1, minus 5, minus b into minus b, minus b square, minus b into minus 1, plus b, which is equal to 5 into 5b plus b. It's 6b minus 5 minus b square. But look at here, all the terms in variable b, so I can denote it by f of b, and I can write here, consider or say delta square is equal to f of b. Now what happened? We get the function. Now find f dash of x and f double dash of x. So differentiate. Once you got the function, we differentiate with respect to, now RHS is in b, so I differentiate with respect to b. Derivative of f of b is f dash of b, which is equal to 5 constant as it is, 6 constant as it is, derivative of b is 1, minus 5 constant, derivative of constant is 0, minus b square derivative is 2b. On simplification I can write it as 5 into 6 minus 2b. It's f dash of b. It's our suppose that equation number first is there, equation number second, equation number third. Now again differentiate with respect to b. Therefore f double dash of b is equal to 5 constant as it is, derivative of 6 is 0, minus derivative of 2 constant as it is, derivative of b is 1, since it is differentiated with respect to b. 5 into 2 minus 2 is minus 10. Equation number 4. What happened? The first step is completed here. First step means what? Find f dash of x and f double dash of x. Now we equate f dash of x is equal to 0. F dash of x is equal to 0 for extreme values. For extreme values, f dash of b is equal to 0. Therefore, what is f dash of b? F dash of b is 5 into 6 minus 2b is equal to 0. That is 6 minus 2b is equal to 0. b is equal to 2b is equal to 6. b is directly written as 3. We get one solution of this equation. b is equal to 3. Put b is equal to 3 in double dash. That is equation number 4. For b is equal to 3, f double dash of b is equal to, means f double dash of b is equal to, here RHS is minus 10 and that is never changed, minus 10 as it is. Therefore f double dash of 3 is less than 0. It means that f of b less than 0 means it is maximum. By second order derivative test, f of b is maximum at b is equal to 3. f of b is what? Delta square. f of b is what? Delta square. Delta square is nothing but delta. Delta means what? Delta is area. Area is maximum at b is equal to 3. At b is equal to 3. That is delta means what? Area. Area is maximum at b is equal to 3. Now area is maximum. What is the question? What are other two sides? I get value of b is here. Okay. So put b is equal to 3 in equation number star. Put b is equal to 3 in equation star. Therefore, c is equal to 6 minus b, that is 3. 6 minus 3 is 3. So c is equal to 3 from this equation. C is equal to 3. Thus, I can write here. Thus, other two sides are 3 centimeter. It is given in centimeter. And 3 centimeter for area of triangle ABC is maximum. Look at here. I can repeat again. Let ABC be the sides of triangle ABC. Perimeter is given. Perimeter of triangle ABC is equal to 10. From this I can write a plus b plus c is equal to 10. But a is equal to already 4. It is given that one of the side is 4. So b plus c is equal to 10 minus 4. C is equal to 6 minus 4. But when sides are known, we use Hero's formula. For Hero's formula, we have to calculate. Yes is nothing but a plus b plus c divided by 2. A plus b plus c is 10. 10 by 2. S is 5. By Hero's formula, area of triangle ABC is equal to square root of s into s minus a into s minus b into s minus c. I can substitute the value of s, so a and value of c. We get a function 5 into 5b minus 5 minus b square plus b. That is 5 into 6b minus 5 minus b square. That function I can denote by f of b. Since RHS is in b, so I can denote that function by f of b. On differentiating, I get f dash of b. F dash of b. Again differentiating, I get f double dash of b. Now for extreme values, f dash of b is equal to 0. Calculate the value of b and check f double dash of b is greater than 0 or less than 0. Here f double dash of 3 is less than 0. So f of b is maximum. That is area is maximum at b is equal to 3. So I want to find the other side of the triangle. So c is equal to 6 minus 3. C is here 3. It's our second question. Now third question is here. An open cylindrical tank. An open cylindrical tank. Geometrical figure is cylinder whose top end is open, whose base is the circle. Cylinder base is a circle. Is to be constructed. Is to be constructed of metal sheet so as to contain a volume of pi a cube. So as to contain volume of pi a cube cubic centimeter of water. Find the dimensions so that the quantity of metal sheet required is minimum. So first understand the question carefully. Look at here. An open cylindrical tank. Look at here. It's a cylinder and whose top is open. An open cylindrical tank whose base is the square. Base is here what? Square. So dimensions are what for this cylinder? Dimensions are base, radius and height. So I can draw here a cylinder whose base is a circle. Dimensions means radius and height. It is clear? So for cylinder there are how many terms? Base, radius, height, volume and surface area or total surface area. So they are given that I can write here first. Let R be the base radius, R be the base radius, H be the height in centimeter, S be the total surface area, and V be the volume of cylinder. These are the terms related to that geometrical figure. Now, what is given here? Given V is equal to volume is equal to pi a cube. Volume is equal to pi a cube. But we know that volume of cylinder is equal to pi r square h. Therefore, pi a cube is equal to pi r square h. Pi get cancelled. I can find here h in terms of a and r. A cube divided by r square. Here I got a relation in terms of h. But find the dimensions so that quantity of metal sheet required is minimum. This is clearly example on maximum and minimum. इथं नक्की काय करायचं आहे बघा. एक मेटल शीट आहे, त्या मेटल शीट पासून एक सिलेंडर तयार करायचं आहे आणि ते मेटल शीटचे डायमेन्शन जे आहेत ते आपल्याला फाइंड आउट करायचे मिनिमम मेटल शीट रिक्वायर्ड होण्यासाठी. सो लेट एस बी दी टोटल सरफेस एरिया. टोटल सरफेस एरिया इज गिवन बाय, लुक एट हियर, सरफेस एरिया बेसचा काय होणार आहे पाय आर स्क्वेअर. एरिया काय होणार आहे बेसचा पाय आर स्क्वेअर प्लस, आता हा जर सरफेस एरिया असेल करोडो सरफेस एरिया तर तो काय होणार आहे बघा. जर याची रेडियस r असली तर त्याचा सर्कमफरन्स असणार आहे 2 पाय r आणि हाईट आहे h म्हणजे 2 पाय r h. हा झालेला आहे टोटल सरफेस एरिया ऑफ दी सिलेंडर 2 pi r h. Putting value of h which is equal to pi r square plus 2 pi r into value of h is a cube divided by r square. On simplification this can be written as pi r square plus 2 pi 1 r get cancel, a cube divided by r. A cube divided by r. It's clearly yes, crore surface area. Since RHS is in variable r, a is constant, RHS is in variable R, so I can denote or I can consider S as f of R, function of R, which is equal to pi r square plus 2 pi a cube divided by R. Now, here is the function. What are the steps to find maximum value of the function or minimum value of the function? Working step is find f dash of x and f double dash of x. Here, differentiating with respect to R. Therefore, f dash of R is equal to derivative of pi r square, pi constant, derivative of R square is 1 plus 2 pi a cube is constant, derivative of 1 upon R is minus 1 upon R square, which is equal to 2 pi R plus minus becomes minus 2 pi a cube divided by R square. Here is f dash of R. Now again differentiating with respect to R. Therefore, f double dash of R is equal to, now derivative, 2 pi is constant, derivative of R with respect to R, it's 1 minus 2 pi a cube is constant. What's remaining here? 1 upon R square. Derivative of 1 upon x is minus 1 upon x square. Derivative of 1 upon R square is minus 1 upon R square bracket square into derivative of R square, that is 2R, which is equal to 2 pi minus 2 pi a cube minus plus 1 R get cancelled. It's what remaining? 2 into 2, 4 divided by R cube. 2 pi plus 4 pi a cube divided by R cube. It's our f double dash of R. Now, here we find here equation number first, equation number second, equation number third. Means we find function derivative and function's double derivative for extreme points. I can clear here. For extreme points, what is the condition for extreme points? First derivative is 0. For extreme points, f dash of R is equal to 0. What is f dash of R? 2 pi R minus 2 pi a cube divided by R square is equal to 0. This gives 2 pi R is equal to 2 pi a cube divided by R square. 2 pi get cancelled. Take R square on LHS. This implies a cube is equal to R square or R cube is equal to a cube. R into R square is R cube is equal to a cube. This implies R is equal to a. Here I get value of R. Now check f double dash of R. For R is equal to a, f double dash of a is equal to. Here is f double dash of R. Replace R by a. So it's 2 pi plus 4 pi a cube divided by. Replace R by a cube divided by a cube get cancelled. 4 pi plus 2 pi, it's 6 pi. So f double dash of a is equal to 6 pi. Pi is positive, 6 pi is positive. So 6 pi is greater than 0. Therefore, f of R is, since it is greater than 0, by second derivative test, function is minimum. F of R is minimum. And R is equal to a. F of R is what? F of R is what? Yes, surface, total surface area is minimum at R is equal to a. And they are saying that find the dimensions so that the quantity of metal sheet required is minimum. Yes, total surface area is minimum. Now I can find its dimensions. Dimensions means what? Value of R and value of H. R is clearly its A. Now from equation star, put R is equal to A. Equation star. Therefore, H is equal to, H is what? A cube divided by R square. R is nothing but A square. H is equal to A cube divided by A square is A. So H is equal to A. Therefore, dimensions are R is equal to A centimeter and height is also equal to A centimeter for what? Quantity of metal sheet required is minimum. For quantity of metal sheet required is minimum. Okay, so I think you learn all these examples. Today we learn all these examples. I think you understand all these examples. Thank you for watching the video.